my family, welcome back again in my YouTube channel Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewers? May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. In this video, I will talk about the short bob pixie haircut and short hairstyles for women who like the latest fashion. Short bob pixie haircut is a chic and versatile style that frames the face with choppy hair and a subtle texture, typically reaching the chin or ears. This cut is perfect for those who want a low maintenance yet stylish look with a range of variations from a classic or an elegant to asymmetrical and aggy. The short bob pixie suit many face shapes and the hair types, whether the style sleek and smooth or messy and done. This haircut exerts the confidence and sophistications, making it a great choice for everyone looking to update their look with a modern and trendy twist. The woman's short bob pixie haircut is timeless and versatile that exuded confidence and sophistications, perfectly framing the face with choppy layers and subtle texture, typically reaching the chin or ears. It is the cut is ideal for women who want the low maintenance and beautiful, easy to manage, and always look great, with a range of variations to suit individuals' taste and shapes. The pop pixie haircut can be the tailored to create a unique or personal look for the classic and elegant to asymmetrical and aggy. Styled sleek and smooth, showcasing a bold jawline and streaking features, or messy and undone, adding a relaxed and fresh vibes to the all-over look. This haircut is the incredibly versatile and adaptable, suitable for most hair types, including thick, thin, curly, or straight. The short bob pixie is a great choice for women seek a modern and trendy update to a hairstyle, offering a very beautiful, fresh, and the revitalized appearance that perfect for everyday wearing, special occasions. With its effortless charm and chic appeal, the short bob pixie haircut is a popular choice among women of all ages, making it is a must try for anyone look to the elevate their style and make a statement with their haircut. Hope this video like if you like my video, please promote me and tell me in the comments that kinds of video I should show you. And if you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. This style is perfect for those moments who like the latest fashion for their all types. These types of short haircut, the back is cut close with the subtle fade or the top layer and left longer to add volume and hint of undone charm. This modern avant-garde look is perfect for those who dare to the different and want a low maintenance, high impact hairstyle that's sure to turns ahead. Different types providing are related to the personality and groom the personal. Different personality types, just like the extroversions and introversions, the impact of personalities, relationships, and the communication. It's very important to groom your personality with your haircuts, with your outfit, and are the style of the short bob pixie haircut. Use texturized spray or promote to add a volume and texture. Styles with messy and a look for a relaxed vibe. And if you like my video, please like, share and promote me for high quality types of new haircut. Short bob is require less time and effort to style and manage. And it is the short hair can be styled in many ways, for sleek, smooth and messy, up and down. And the shortcut is a blessing during hot summer month. Short hair can be the accentuate the facial features and create a slimming effect. Classic short hairstyle with choppy layers and a subtle texture. A short styles reaching the chin or ears, often with the straight or angled edges. Undercut and other styles of haircut where the undersides is cut very short while the top layer remain the longer fade style where the hair is cut close to the head with a gradual decrease in length. Pompadour styles where the haircut is short on the sides and back with the longer top layer styled up and away from the face. And if you talk about the face shapes depend upon hairstyles, like the oval is suitable for short hairstyles, especially those with choppy layers. Round angular short styles like the symmetrical pixie can create a slimming effect. On the square types of face shapes like soft curved soft hairstyles like the classic bob can be the balance a strong jawline. And the heart shaped face shape depends the haircut is the short hairstyles with volume on the top like the pompadour and the draw attentions away from the broad for ahead. You talk about the texture of the short hairstyle depend fines and thick the curly and straight. If you talk about the fine the short hairstyles with layers and texture can add the volume and depth. If your hair is a thick short hairstyles add with a fade or undercut can reduce the bulk and create a sleek look. And if your hair texture is like a curly the short hairstyles with a relaxed, effortless vibes will enhance the natural texture. And if your hairs are the straight, the short hairstyles with the sleek, smooth, and finish can create a chic, polished look. Use sometimes of tips to enhance the beauty of your hairstyles and haircut. Use the pomade or styling wax for a sleek polished look. Add a texture with the sea salt spray or dry shampoo. Emphasize the layer with the round brush and the blow dryer. Go for a messy undone look by the rough drying and the stretching the hair. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you soon into the next video of Short Bob.